If you ever see this, please don't hate. Okay, go. So, whose MySpace are we on? Oh, Shayna Brown? Is she the girl that copies those preps?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Where have I seen that shirt? Mwah, kiss me through a computer. Yeah, kiss me through that. The fucking scared me! You know what I should say down here?
What?
I wasn't born as Mary, I was born as Marvin. Where the fuck did she get those glasses?
The movie theaters.
Oh my god! What the fuck? What? Whose glass? Why are they skipping? The grudge. Yeah, she's eating her hand. She's not hungry. What the fuck? She raped her cat? That's not nice. Call animal deportation on her. Who the fuck is that? Is that your... Never mind. Angelina Jolie. She taking that shit? Next.